Hi everyone! In this video, I will be sharing my experience with the Tableau 10 Advanced course on Udemy. This course is designed to help students take their Tableau skills to the next level and gain a deeper understanding of the software. The course objectives include learning advanced functions of Tableau, such as data connections, calculations, parameters, and dashboards. By the end of the course, students will be able to create interactive and dynamic visualizations that can help them analyze and present data more effectively. The course is divided into 5 sections. 1. Data connections and security. Learn how to connect to different data sources securely, including databases and cloud-based platforms. Understand the various connection types and their advantages. 2. Advanced calculations. Discover how to create calculated fields and parameters to derive new metrics and enhance interactivity. Explore advanced functions and formulas to perform complex calculations. 3. Table calculations and aggregations. Understand table calculations and aggregations for analyzing data at different levels of detail. Learn techniques for creating meaningful summaries and aggregations. 4. Advanced visualizations. Explore advanced chart types and visualizations, including dual-axis charts and interactive dashboards. Learn how to create interactive filters and parameters for a more dynamic user experience. 5. Data storytelling and presentation. Discover techniques for effective data storytelling and presentation. Learn how to structure narratives and create a compelling story with your visualizations. This course is designed for individuals who have a basic understanding of Tableau and want to take their skills to the next level. It is suitable for data analysts, business analysts, data scientists, and anyone who works with data and needs to create advanced visualizations. While the course itself is comprehensive, it is recommended to have a basic understanding of data concepts and visualization techniques. Additional readings or resources can be helpful for further understanding and practice. The Tableau 10 Advanced course is a valuable resource for anyone looking to enhance their data visualization skills. The course content is well structured and covers a wide range of advanced topics. The instructor's explanations are clear and easy to follow, making it an enjoyable learning experience. If you're looking to take your Tableau skills to the next level and create advanced and interactive visualizations, this course is definitely worth considering. It provides a comprehensive learning experience and covers various advanced topics, making it suitable for both beginners and experienced users. Remember to like and subscribe for more content like this.